Hey guys, I'm here in London and I'm working with some clients and I've just been out exploring. We're exploring the voices in our head and transcending them. These voices that keep us locked up, keep us stuck in a world that's filled with apprehension and angst and unhappiness and without women. So the thing that we always come back to over and over and over again is having amazing powers to tune in with your observations, your eyes, your ears, your heart, your cock, your intuition, and tuning in and listening to the world around you, listening to the way that people talk and the way that they move, listening to the way they hold themselves in their body and the sound of their voice, listening to what they're saying and listening to how they're saying it. So we listen when we see a beautiful woman and we stop and we say hi and we say, wow, I had to say hi because you're beautiful in some way, or listening that she's matched everything perfectly and you just had to tell her. But then listening at a deeper level as you're learning about her and picking up, her feminine energy, or picking up that she's such a great listener, or picking up that she has such a bright look in the world, whatever it is. And it really comes down to being a great observer. And you observe with all of you, all of the time. And I'll say that over and over again on the streets here of London, somewhere between Piccadilly and Oxford. And I'll say it in the streets of New York, and I'll say it on the streets of Prague, and I'll say it all around the world. You've got to become a great observer. First of all, it brings you into the present moment. It makes you here and now, which is, there is no greater gift. And then you bring other people into the present moment, and it makes them here and now. There is no greater gift. And then this is how you meet her now. All right, guys. John Keegan, theawakenedlifestyle.com. Check it out. See you then.